Yeah, in a minute I'll show you why I don't like riding on days like this. It's a false 80-degree day. Everybody else is out riding their motorcycles. I'm not. I'm riding my e-bike. I'll ride at 55 degrees. Yes, I will. Because I can. I don't know where I want to go. Should we go down by the dam and show you what the wind is like? I'm listening to music, but you're probably not going to hear a damn word. Probably not. But I guess I'm healthy. Well, I feel healthy. Back on the e-bike. Feeling sick, and nobody wants to go and ride when you're sick. That's no fun. See, all the bikes are out. Crotch rockets, everything. Not for me today. Like I told everybody, I do not like riding in the wind. I don't. The wind is horrible. And on a motorcycle, it's even worse. It is. It's even worse. Like right now, I'm not in a hurry to go rip around. I just want to kind of take a easy ride. I don't know where. There's the wind. Yeah. Wow. Like I told you, it's windy today. Very. Maybe we'll cut through the college because I don't feel like going through that wind. We run with the wind? I think so. I'm kind of going with the wind. The Dodge come out. Nobody coming. Felt like something fun to do. Get some exercise and see what campus looks like. Oh, a brake. Make noise in the wind. Yeah, listen to that wind. Jesus. Dark walker. Weird. Dead end. I love those. But I know it's a dead end. I gotta go up to the bike trail. One more. Oh, look at that. The wind is wicked. Kind of fun running with the wind a little bit. Yeah, it feels good to get back on the ecotric. Oh, fucking wind. Sideways. I don't know who's yelling. Probably got somebody yelling that knows who I am, for all I know. Couldn't tell you. But I can hear. Follow the lawnmower. Turn. There we go. Look at that. Don't know what you can see. Try to get a view while I'm the front end's wobbling. Pretty much wobbling because my damn hand was on it. Oh, not gonna shift. Look at that. Oh, it's cooler over here. Yeah, the trees are losing all their leaves. The wind's helping. Oh, that's a hill. I usually don't videotape this way. Look at this hill. Didn't need to be in level. Yeah. road closed. Pedestrians use path, huh? We can do that. Yes, we can. Sketchy, sketchy. Nice. Look at that. Stay on path. Wow. Look at that mess. I'm not going down there. I'm not. Look at that. Look at that. That is pretty. I might walk down there for a minute. Dang, this is wild. I don't know what kind of view to give you. As you can tell, this is usually not underwater. But look at this. Wow. And I know I got the construction workers looking at me like I'm crazy. Oh, this comes up to the park. Nice. Well, I'm not gonna bug anybody. I'm gonna go down. Look at that. That's just crazy. Yes, it is. Don't know what you can see, but yeah. I'll show you my. Oh, there's more walkways. I'm out playing in the woods because I can. Oh, look at that. There's a water drain. Oh, dang. That looks like a well. Oh, crazy fun things you can find. Awesome. Alright. I'll walk up the steps and stop this part of it. Oh, let's go back down the path. I'm on level 1. Because I don't need power. Look at that. Oh shit, trying to drop the camera. Look at it, beautiful. I guess just like normal pedaling, 3 is what I would call the best. For normal. The reason I shift down is because it makes me easier to pedal. Well, makes it easier on my legs. Makes the motor work more. My legs work less. So that's why I use gears. Yes. That's why Chad uses gears. Yes, I have to get off of this. Not because I have to, because I want to. And I'm not climbing that hill, so I may climb that little one over there. But right now I'm going up to where I can off-ramp. Let's check this out. Look at that. And, well, yeah. There's the ducks. Beautiful. Awesome. Squealing tires. Yeah. Ouch. See how easy it looks? Pedaling up the hill. Yamaha Star. Yeah, I'm getting off the road because cars are worrying what I'm doing. Yeah, right now I got about 3 to 4 bars. I'm not worried. No, I'm not. There's somebody coming, so I gotta stop. So yes, I follow stop signs when I see people. When I don't see anybody, I just run. There's the wind again. It's almost why I didn't make a video. All we've been having is windy days. Windy, windy, windy. Cold, warm, cold. Well, not even warm, really. A couple days were 40, somewhere in the 60s, and fucking today's in the 80s. Tomorrow will be 55. Minnesota's bipolar. Or St. Cloud is bipolar, I don't know. Bipolar. Bipolar. Yes, it is. Today I don't know where I'm going. what I'm doing, why I'm doing. Just exciting. Don't know if it is exciting. I don't know. Show everybody how fast the battery drains in the wind. I'm going to see things I like. I like the river. I like trains. I do. Is it bad to like trains? Ooh, loose travel. Get out of the sharp rocks. That's all I need. The flat tire. I have to walk it home from here. That would suck. I know. First bump. Major. The wind's like blowing heavy. So how's everybody else doing today? Shouldn't be asking about myself. Fuck, I don't know. It's interesting to talk about, ain't it? My grandfather died at 67 years old. My dad died at 68 years old. My uncle Chuck died at like 71. Basically, on the track of my family, I'm probably not going to see 80 years old. I love the dogs barking at me. Yes, they can. Oh, fucking nasty bump. Make a big round trip. Sidewalk hopping. I want to be on the other side of the road. Yes, I do. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Cars. want to get up on this sidewalk. Start heading home. If I keep this up, I'm gonna have a fucking hour on this bike. On this video. I don't know if anybody wants to watch. Oh, the ecotric is fighting the wind. Against the wind. Running against the wind. What I'm doing, I'm running against the wind. Oh, sidewalk bouncing. There, get off the sidewalk. And just watch my bars drop in the wind. Yeah, I forgot to turn the camera back on. Can't go on the road or they'd hit me. There's 4 Harleys running together. Oh, that wind sucks. Yeah, I'm slow. Didn't say I was gonna keep up with bikes. Oh, that fucking wind, you see it? Jesus Christ, you can feel it. So I can't hear a damn word I say. Fucking people. Had to ram the brakes. Let's go up where I don't have a... Yeah. I don't have to use a turn on my signal. Oh, cars everywhere. That's just it. Fuck. Not my day. Don't know where I want to go in division. It's just packed. So, yeah, I'll just stick on this side of the road. People can get their end of the year Yahoo raw fucking on their motorcycles. If there's no snow, I'm still riding. Ha ha ha. Like a night now. What's it say now? semi buck the wind, level 5. She had the right of way. That's why I got brakes. Nobody coming. Doing about 19 in the wind. Wind is a bucking. Oh, directly into the wind. Oh. I know. I'm up on the road. Should make everybody pass me. Oh, come on. I don't know who's honking at what, but I had the right of way. Yes, I did. River down through Lake George. Couple pedals and twist the throttle. was fun. I'm not gonna run level 5 on here. Now I'll probably tell you the miles. Ow! How many miles I pedaled when I get home. Because I don't even know how far I went. But had to check out these beautiful water. Look at that. Alright. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, look at this fucking wind. Well, there, my knees are starting to get a little sore, so I think I've ran enough. Down to 2 bars. Should wait for people to turn. Come on, get on there. Share the fucking road. I gotta charge my battery because I got 2 bars left. I'll get off the road. Too windy to be in level 5. Very much too windy. Don't want to leave you guys with a lot of wind. At least today I can be happy. I put in a full battery. I knew I had enough memory card. So however long this is going to be, it was going to be. Fucking people. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh. Like, share, and subscribe. I will catch you on the next ride. Alright, have a good day, everybody.